In the previous video we showed you how to create a C chart, how to label your axis and how to fix your baseline data. Now if you look at this chart, you'll notice that once we fixed our baseline data and the mean shifted down, we can see a few special causes. So we can see 8 or more points above the mean, which indicates that something has happened in the system and we can recalculate the upper and lower control limit. Now to do this, all you need to do is click on the chart, go to add-ins, click on edit chart phases, and now you specify the date range of the new phase. So here's the date range of our baseline data. So you got from April 2011 up until March 2012, and you notice that we got 8 points or more above the mean starting from April 2012. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and more data points above the mean. So all we need to do here is we select April 2012, which is the first date of the 8 data points above the mean. Now you'll notice that if you click drop down, the first date, the only date option it shows is the April date. This is because the system automatically picks up the next date after this date here. Now that this is the first date of those 8 data points, we need to select the 8th data point. So if this is the first, we go to second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So we select the 8th data point. So this is our new phase, and it's going to calculate the upper and lower control limit again, calculate a new mean, and now we keep the extend last phase checkbox ticked. So after it calculates that mean, it would extend it across the whole chart. Press done, and there you go. It's recalculated the mean, the upper control limit and the lower control limit. Now if you look at the chart again, you'll notice we can see another special cause. So from this point, which is October 2014 onwards, we can see 8 or more points above the mean. So again, we can do the exact same steps. So click on the chart, go to edit chart phases. Now this time you'll notice that when you click this drop down, it doesn't give you the October 2014 option. That's because it gives the date after this date here. So before we can create the new phase, we have to adjust this phase. So click on this drop down and look for the date, just one date just before the date of the new phase. So if we click here, the new phase starts at October 2014, so we want this phase to end at September 2014. Now if you click this drop down, you notice October comes up, and again here we just choose the 8th point. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Keep the extend last phase option checked, press done, and there you go. You've got 3 phases now. And again, if you notice here, you got another special cause. So you can see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points, 8 or more points above the mean. So again, you can do the exact same steps again, starting on 1st of January 2015. So again, select the chart, go to edit chart phases. You would need to adjust the previous phase before you can see the new one. So previous one's December 2014, so now gives us the January 15 option. Go to the 8th point, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press done, and there you go. So your chart here has 1, 2, 3, 4 phases. Again, finally, because we've been using the edit chart phases wizard, it's changed the dates back to US. So just change it back to US. To go right click on the axis, format axis, number, select date on the category, change it to US. There you go. And here's your completed C chart with all the phases applied.